Hello everyone, myself Tia Parmar from 11th Science studying in Sri Ambe Vidyalay. Today we will discuss about cornea transplantation. So, what is cornea? The cornea is the clear outer layer at the front of the eyeball. It acts as a window to the eye. When the cornea is damaged, it can become less transparent or its shape can change. This can prevent light reaching the retina and causes the picture unclear. A cornea transplant is an operation to remove all or a part of damaged cornea and replace it with healthy donor tissue. A cornea transplant is often referred to as keratoplasty or a corneal graft. One of the most common reasons for a cornea transplant is a condition called keratoconus, which causes the cornea to change the shape. A cornea transplant can be carried out under general anesthetic where you are unconscious, or local anesthetic where the area is numbed and you are conscious. As with all types of surgery, there is a risk of complications resulting from a cornea transplant. This can include the new cornea being rejected by the body, infection, and further vision problems. Most cornea transplants are successful and will work without complications for at least 10 years. There is a shortage of donated corneas in UK. Many more people will benefit from sight-saving surgery if more corneas were donated.
My name is Sania Memon from 11th Science studying in Sri Ambe Vidyalaya School. Our medical science has progressed a lot. One organ can be transplanted to another body. It is a surgical procedure in which damaged organ can be removed and replaced new one. My topic is lung transplantation. You must have heard about many body organs that transplanted like kidney, knee, pancreas, liver, etc. Lung transplant is also possible in medical science. It is a surgical procedure to replace a diseased or failing lung with a healthy lung. The donor and receptor may be at same location or organ can be transported from donor side to patient side. Lung disease are caused by long-term exposure to irritating gases and most often from cigarette smoke. This makes it hard for lung to take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. As a result, patients can't breathe deeply. This disease may also affect the heart function. Long-term exposure to air pollutants can affect lung development and increase chance of asthma. That is why to recover from this problem, lung transplantation is one of the best options.
Hello everyone, my name is Rutika Pardesi from 11th Science studying in Sri Ambe Vidyalay. Today I am going to discuss about heart transplantation. Firstly, the surgical removal of a healthy organ from a person and its transplantation into another person's body whose organ has failed because of any illness or was injured is called organ transplantation. The surgery is often life-saving and gives recipient a wonderful new lease to life. I am going to give some information about organ transplantation, namely heart transplantation. Well, in today's time, medical field all over the world have worked so hard and progressed so much that transplanting a heart is now possible. Transplanting a heart from a donor to a patient whose heart had a failure and the condition is so bad that it cannot be cured by medicine is called heart transplantation. There are many causes for heart failure such as heart attack, heart valve disease, high blood pressure, irregular heartbeats, some heavy medications, etc. As per the survey and reports collected, approximately 80 to 90% heart transplant surgeries are successful. More than 3,500 heart transplant surgeries are performed each year worldwide, from which more than 200 transplants are done in India with 90% of success.
Myself Yana Purohit from Sri Ambe Vidyalaya studying in 11th Science. Today I am going to discuss about pancreas transplantation. A pancreas transplantation is a surgical procedure to place a healthy pancreas from a diseased donor into a person whose pancreas no longer functions properly. Our pancreas is an organ lies behind the lower part of our stomach. One of its main functions is to make insulin, a hormone that regulates the absorption of sugar into our cells. If our pancreas doesn't make enough insulin, blood sugar levels can rise to unhealthy levels, resulting in type 1 diabetes. Most pancreas transplants are done to treat type 1 diabetes. A pancreas transplant offers a potential cure for this condition, but it is typically reserved for serious complications because the side effects of pancreas transplant can be significant. In case pancreas transplant may also treat type 2 diabetes. Rarely, pancreas transplants may be used in the treatment of pancreatic, bile duct, or cancers. A pancreas transplant is often done in conjunction with a kidney transplant in people whose kidneys have been damaged by diabetes. Now, why pancreas transplant is done? A pancreas transplant can restore normal insulin production and improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. But it's not a standard treatment. The side effects of the anti-rejection medications required after a pancreas transplant can often be serious. Several different types of pancreas transplants are: first is pancreas transplant alone, second is combined kidney and pancreas transplant, third is pancreas after kidney transplant, and fourth one is pancreatic islet cell transplant. Myself
My name is Sanansi from Standard 11 Science studying in Sri Ambe Vidyalaya. I am going to share you some information about liver transplantation. Do you know what is liver transplantation? Liver transplantation is also known as hepatic transplantation. It is the replacement of a deceased liver with the healthy liver from another person. Liver transplantation is a treatment option for people with liver failure whose condition cannot be controlled with other treatment. It is indicated in case of irreversible liver disease like end-stage liver disease, acute liver failure, and advanced liver cancer. Now, what are the types of liver transplantation? There are three types of liver transplantation. First, deceased organ donation. Transplantation of liver from the recently dead person. Second, living donor liver transplantation. Section of liver is removed from the living donor because the liver can regenerate itself. Third, split donation. A liver is removed from recently dead person and split into two pieces.
Hello everyone, my name is Afrin Memon studying in class 11 Science in Sri Ambe Vidyalay. Today I am going to talk about liver transplant. So what is liver transplant? Basically, a liver transplant is a surgical procedure that removes a liver that no longer functions properly and replaces it with a healthy liver from a living donor. Do you guys know our liver is our largest internal organ and performs several critical functions? Liver transplant is usually reserved as a treatment option for people who have significant complications due to end-stage chronic liver disease. Liver transplant may also be a treatment option in rare cases of sudden failure of a previous healthy liver. The number of people waiting for a liver transplant greatly exceeds the number of available deceased donor livers.
Myself, Taskin Patel, studying in 11th Science in Sri Ambe Vidyalaya School. Today we will discuss about organ transplantation. What is organ transplantation? So, organ transplantation is the surgical removal of healthy organ from one person and its transplantation into another person whose organ has failed or was injured. Transplantation gives a new life to the infected person. Many organs can be transplanted like kidney, liver, heart, lungs, pancreas and intestines. My topic is small bowel transplantation. What is small bowel? Our small intestine, which also called the small bowel, that is a long tube that carries digested food between our stomach and our large intestine. The small intestine is responsible for digesting and absorbing nutrients from the food which we eat. What is small intestine transplantation? A small intestinal transplant is an operation to replace a diseased or shortened small bowel with a healthy bowel from a donor. Why we need to transplant a small bowel or an intestine? A small bowel transplant considered for people with bowel failure. Bowel or intestinal failure means a person's bowel is not able to absorb enough nutrients from the food that we eat. But the transplantation is not easy. The transplantation is complicated and highly specialized operation that's only done at 4 specialist centers in the UK. First, Birmingham Children's Hospital. Second, Addenbrooke's Hospital in Cambridge. Third, Churchill Hospital in Oxford. Fourth, King's College Hospital in London.
My name is Fatima Memon from 11th Science studying in Sri Ambe Vidyalaya School. Transplantation is a surgical procedure in which tissue or an organ is transformed from one area of a person's body to another area, or from the one person means the donor to another person means the recipient. Types of organ transplants are heart transplant, liver transplant, lung transplant, cornea transplant, trachea transplant, kidney transplant, pancreas transplant, skin transplant, vascular tissue transplant. My topic is kidney transplantation. Kidney transplant or renal transplant is the organ transplant of a kidney into a patient with end-stage kidney disease, means ESRD. Kidney transplant is typically classified as a deceased donor or a living donor transplantation depending on the source of a donor organ. Living donor kidney transplant are further characterized as a genetically related or non-related transplant, depending on whether a biological relationship exists between the donor and recipient. Before receiving a kidney transplant, a person with ESRD must undergo a thorough medical evaluation to make sure that they are healthy enough to undergo transplant surgery. If they are deemed a good candidate, they can be placed on a waiting list to receive a kidney from a deceased donor. Once they are placed on a waiting list, they can receive a new kidney very quickly, or they may have to wait for many years. In the United States, the average waiting time is 3 to 5 years. During transplant surgery, the new kidney is usually placed in the lower abdomen, means belly. The person's two native kidneys are not usually taken out unless there is a medical reason to do so. Thank you.